Are you searching for the best portable table saws? In this video, I'll share my top 5 best portable table saws recommendations, backed by personal experience and extensive research. For additional details and up-to-date pricing, please visit the links in the description below. Number 5. Bosch 10 inches Worksite Table Saw. The Bosch 4100 XC10 job site table saw combines portability and stability, thanks to its wheeled stand. The single-action setup is straightforward, and the durable 8-inch tires can navigate the rough terrain commonly found on construction sites. Its onboard storage system ensures that all necessary accessories are conveniently accessible. While it doesn't feature the increasingly popular rack and pinion fence design, the well-made fence it does have is still highly functional. The unique stop sign-shaped safety cutoff switch adds an extra layer of safety. This saw boasts a large aluminum tabletop capable of handling 4-foot-wide sheets. Its powerful motor, coupled with soft-start circuitry, ensures smooth operation. The constant response circuitry maintains consistent speed while cutting, and the restart protection feature prevents accidental startups, making it a safe, reliable, and powerful tool. Key features: Gravity rise wheeled stand enhances portability, making it one of the best options for job site table saws. Smart guard system includes an adjustable riving knife and anti-kickback device for increased safety. Self-aligning square lock fence ensures precise cuts. Dado compatible expands the saw's versatility. Specifications: engine, 4 horsepower, 15 amp, 3650 rpm. Blade diameter, 10 inches. Dado capacity, 13/16 inches. Rip capacity, 30 inches. Number 4. Skillsaw 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw. This skill saw is the only worm drive unit in this category and is built on the legendary, indestructible Skill 77 motor platform. There are ongoing debates about worm drive tools versus direct drive tools, like the others on this list. While our observations may not settle these debates, we found no significant difference in power or durability between the worm gear and direct drive options. However, the nuances and details of this saw make it worth considering, especially for professionals such as remodelers, deck builders, and others who use a saw for extended periods. It handled fur effortlessly and made decking a breeze. The crank-to-blade movement ratio is excellent, and the worm gear provides a smooth, built-in soft start with no lag time. The tool operates smoothly. Like the Skill table saw on this list, it highlights a 45-degree connection for the clean chute, permitting clients to coordinate sawdust effectively into a box or bucket, a straightforward but very effective feature. However, it is heavy. Moving it upstairs or out of a truck by yourself is challenging. The stand is sturdy but large and cumbersome both on-site and in storage. If you can manage these issues, this saw is a powerhouse. Product specs: blade size, 10 inches. Maximum rip, 30.5 inches. Weight, 93 pounds. Pros: excellent cutting capacity with just over a 30-inch rip maximum. Stable stand ensures safe setup. Wheels enhance maneuverability. Cons: bulky size makes it difficult to move upstairs. Premium price may be beyond the budget of occasional DIY users. Number 3. dewalt 8¼ compact job site table saw. The 8¼ table saw platform might initially seem counterintuitive to some users. However, despite having a smaller blade compared to the standard 10-inch tools, it managed to cut 99% of what the larger saws could during testing, including 1x and 2x material, trim, and decking. It's compact and lightweight, and the included edge is excellent. The fence features dewalt's innovative rack and pinion design with onboard push-stick storage and was parallel to the blade right out of the box. Due to its smaller frame and lack of an included stand, this saw is easy to carry, maneuver, and store, making it perfect for use in a truck, crowded shop, garage, or job site. However, the absence of an included stand means you will need to purchase one from dewalt or build one in your workshop for safe operation. Adding a stand would enhance the functionality of this already impressive saw. Product specs: Blade size, 8¼ inches. Maximum rip, 24½ inches. Weight, 53 pounds. Pros. Good capacity with a 24½ inch rip maximum for a compact saw. Roll cage enhances job site durability. Lightweight, making it easy to transport. Cons. No included stand, requiring an additional purchase or custom build. Number 2. dewalt 10-inch table saw, 32½ inch rip capacity. The dewalt 10-inch table saw is renowned for its job site durability, substantial capacity, and potential for precise accuracy, making it a favorite among trade professionals. It comes equipped with a 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade suitable for general purposes. The saw offers a maximum cutting depth of 3⅛ inches at 90 degrees and 2¼ inches at 45 degrees. Its ripping capacity extends to 22 inches to the left and a leading 32½ inches to the right of the blade. The robust extending fence operates on a precise rack and pinion track. During our testing, this saw proved to be the most stable in the group. Its aggressively flared legs make it nearly impossible to tip over while cutting long, heavy stock, without occupying more space than other saws. The saw's folding legs and modest wool kit facilitated easier breakdown and storage, though at 110 pounds, it remains heavy for one person to move. The included construction-grade blade performed exceptionally well. The rack and pinion fence operated smoothly and locked securely, and the push-stick storage on the fence is a convenient feature. Unlike some saws that struggle under heavy loads, this saw consistently displayed excellent power and smooth performance, handling Eastern White Fir 2X, Hem-Fir framing, 5/4 pressure-treated Southern Pine decking, and typical 1X with ease. There is little to criticize about this table saw. While the wheeled cart provides excellent stability, it adds to the overall weight. The miter guide is small and flimsy, not matching the high quality of the rest of the machine. Additionally, its price may be a deterrent for some DIY users. Product specs. Blade size, 10 inches. Maximum rip, 32½ inches. Weight, 110 pounds. Pros. Excellent capacities with a 32½ inch rip maximum. Incredibly stable stand due to well-designed legs. Excellent fence with handy push-stick storage. Cons. Miter guide is small and flimsy. Heavier than some other high-quality table saws. Number 1. SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable job site table saw. The saw was ready for use straight out of the box. The built-in leg kit functioned excellently, requiring the saw to be laid on one side to extend or fold the legs. This process was straightforward, and the legs provided a stable base, ideal for heavy-duty tasks such as ripping framing or deck boards. The rack and pinion fence was perfectly parallel to the blade from the get-go, offering an impressive 25½ inch cut capacity to the right of the blade, making it great for breaking down sheet goods or making shelves. The crank-to-blade movement proportion was exceptional, permitting for exact setup with ease. The saw also featured a highly effective 45-degree dust chute attachment, which enabled users to direct sawdust into a box or bucket. This feature proved especially useful when cutting inorganic materials like composite decking or PVC. The saw excelled in all materials tested and was equally impressive when not in use. The legs folded down to form a cube, making it ideal for storage in a work truck or crowded shop, with minimal snagging or catching. The locking throat plate remained secure during transport, unlike other saws we tested. The only drawbacks were the switch, which took some getting used to, and the included blade, which could be of better quality. However, replacing the blade with a preferred one is a simple fix. Overall, this saw is well designed and highly capable. Product specs. Blade size, 10 inches. Maximum rip, 25½ inches. Weight, 51 pounds. Pros. Excellent and large cutting capacities for a variety of cuts. Accurate rack and pinion fence simplifies cut setup. Integrated stand allows for easy on-site setup, saving time in the field. Cons. Included blade is of lower quality. Power switch requires some acclimation.